Major truck collisions occur every day across Ohio's highways and roads. In fact, data shows that truck crashes rose by nearly 40% in Ohio over the past decade. Sadly, crashes involving large commercial trucks often turn deadly due to their massive size and weight. In the blink of an eye, an irresponsible trucker can cause a roadway catastrophe. If you or someone you love has been harmed by a negligent truck driver in Ohio, you need strong legal advocates in your corner. An experienced personal injury law firm can handle the insurance claims process while you focus on healing. They will thoroughly investigate the accident, build a case against the trucking companies, and fight for the maximum compensation you deserve. Most importantly, they provide critical legal and emotional support when you need it most. Our firm recently handled such a truck collision case involving a young woman severely injured after a truck failed to slow, rear-ending her vehicle and crushing her between the truck and a highway barrier. Despite extensive surgeries, she sustained permanent damage and continues to endure pain years later. We fully investigated the accident and aggressively pursued compensation from the trucking companies responsible, taking the complex case all the way to a jury trial. After hearing all the evidence, the jury agreed the companies were guilty of negligence and awarded a substantial $1,750,000 judgment to fairly compensate the victim and her family. In February 2019, a young woman was driving on a highway when she encountered an active construction zone. As she slowed her vehicle to merge lanes due to the lane closure ahead, an inattentive truck driver failed to slow his 16-ton truck, slamming full force into the back of her stopped vehicle. Upon impact, her car was crushed between the truck and the vehicle barrier at the front of the construction zone. It took first responders nearly an hour using the jaws of life to cut her free from the mangled wreckage. She was raced to the hospital with life-threatening injuries, including severely broken hips and a ruptured bladder. In the days following the collision, she underwent major reconstructive surgery just to stabilize the shattered bones. The surgeons implanted a complex system of metal plates and over a dozen screws to hold the bones in place, as well as an external metal fixator device across her hips that protruded out 6 inches from her fractured pelvis. For months, she struggled through grueling physical therapy sessions riddled with pain just to relearn how to walk. Our legal team aggressively pursued this complex case against the truck driver and trucking company responsible for the horrific collision. We took the case all the way to a jury trial, presenting extensive evidence and testimony on the severity of injuries, medical expenses, loss of quality of life, and pain and suffering the young woman continues to live with. After hearing all of the evidence, the jury agreed the truck driver and company were guilty of negligence and delivered a fair verdict, awarding our client a substantial multi-million-dollar judgment. At Ryan Injury Attorneys, we have experience investigating and pursuing truck collision cases. We work diligently to ensure that your potential case and lawsuit are handled effectively and compassionately, providing you with the support you need during this difficult time. Our goal is to help you achieve some measure of justice and peace during this challenging time. If you or someone you know needs help navigating a truck collision claim, please reach out to us. Our team is ready to listen and support you. We're Ryan Injury Attorneys. We're here for you.